Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 7. Distinguish between role of flocks and anaerobic sludge digesters in sewage treatment. Flocks क्या करते हैं? Break down organic matter aerobically, whereas anaerobic sludge digester they break down organic matter anaerobically. जो organic matter की breakdown होती है in case of flocks, that is present in primary effluent, and anaerobic sludge digester secondary effluent. Biogas is not produced in case of flock, whereas in case of anaerobic sludge digesters, biogas is produced. This was question number 7.